What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily update on Pepe. We're taking a look at it again. The market structure hasn't changed that much, so there's not a lot of new things I can say. It's getting hard for me to come up with nice thumbnails. Like right now, is there hope for Pepe? And we'll talk about that. I'll tell you whether I think there's hope for Pepe. I think there is. I don't think there's a lot of hope, but still. So we'll talk about that, but I did want to ask you if you still think these updates are valuable, because right now, obviously in the weekend we had a little bit of bullish momentum coming from Pepe, but apart from that, we've just been kind of slowly trending down and consolidating, and I would argue that right now we're also getting into some sort of a consolidation. So perhaps that's not that valuable to you anymore. Let me know if you still value these daily updates. If you don't, I'll make them like every 2 days, and I'll do some other cryptos. But for now, we're still going to take a look at Pepe, but let me know down in the comments. So before we get into Pepe specifically, and I put some things up in preparation. If you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comments, and there you will find instructions on how to join and get some profitable trades while also becoming a better trader and investor. So now on to Pepe. So the thing is that right now there is a little bit more momentum. I mean, yesterday, or at least during last night, right here, we got a little bit of a boost together with the entire market. I mean, if you take a look at Bitcoin, almost every crypto had a move like that, which just sometimes happens. That is usually institutional traders or big whales getting into positions, probably in kind of a speculation for the FOMC minutes, which is some big news coming tomorrow evening. So that's big, but Pepe did get that too, but we just confirmed resistance right here at that holy resistance level between 16,000 and 16,500, which has been the main resistance level for a while now, or not for a while, but it has been very important. It has been very important as a key level. So we found resistance there. Right now, we've practically confirmed in my eyes that we're dropping back down to 15,000. So that's not ideal, because overall, if you take a look at Pepe over the last 7 days, for example, or the last month, we've been losing volume and we've been losing momentum. Now, right now, we actually gained a little bit of volume overnight. However, it is already stalling a bit. It's still going up technically, but it is stalling. So once that drops down, you lose momentum. And what you need for Pepe to actually survive and to get a rally is momentum. And at this point in time, it just looks like the general trend is that momentum is dropping down and price is following. So I do think 15,000 can hold us a bit longer, but at some point of time, my main thoughts and my main analysis is still that at some point of time we'll break down below that level and drop down towards 13,000. Now there are a few reasons to have hope for Pepe. First of all, it's the biggest meme coin we've had in a while, and it would be not wise to bet against Pepe, right? A lot of things are possible, a lot of manipulation is possible, there are probably a lot of people short selling, so you could have a beautiful short squeeze, especially with this volume that we still have. So perhaps people are just waiting for the volume to drop down a little bit lower to actually get more liquidations or more open interest in Pepe from this consolidation, and then it will spike. Elon Musk could tweet about it. Coinbase could list it, even though I think that's highly unlikely. And Bitcoin could become very, very bullish, but that's also not necessarily something I expect. So it's those few things that could actually cause us to break above 16,500, which is still our main resistance level. If we do that, we can still rally up to levels we rallied to this weekend as well. However, like I said, I think if you weigh all of the different possibilities, I would argue that that is a little bit more unlikely than this, right? So that's still my main analysis and my main thoughts. However, I did want to let you know some possibilities of other things that can happen. But for now, this is my take on Pepe. So if you do have any questions, then as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.